Hello guys, and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So we have this question right here. So the first thing guys you want to do is to say, let y be equal to the root of 15 minus the root of 3 all into the root of 12, and all of this is raised to the power of 6. So right here, this equation can be written as y raised to the power of 6 is equal to, so we want to solve this right here. So from here, we have that y is equal to, now the root of 15 can be written as the root of 3 multiplied 5 minus the root of 3 all into the root of 12 can be written as 4 multiplied 3. Alright, so from here we have that y is equal to the root of 3 multiply the root of 5 minus the root of 3 all into the root of 4 multiply the root of 3. So factoring out the root of 3 from the numerator, we have that y is equal to the root of 3 into the root of 5 minus 1 all into the root of 4 multiply the root of 3. So y is equal to, this is going to cancel out this, and we have the root of 5 minus 1 all into the root of 4 is 2. So we are going to name this equation star. Alright, so from here we have this right here. So at this point we want to simply cross multiply, and we have this to be 2y is equal to the root of 5 minus 1. Now isolating the root of 5, we have this to be 2y plus 1 is equal to the square root of 5. So the next thing you want to do is to square both sides. So we have this to be 2y plus 1 all square is equal to the root of 5 all square. But we can easily expand the left hand side by making use of this formula that says a plus b all square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So applying this, we have this to be 2y all square plus 1 square plus 2 multiply 2y multiply 1 is equal to, this is going to cancel out this, we have this to be 5. So 2y all square will give us 4y square plus 1 plus 4y is equals to 5. Rearranging this, we have this to be 4y squared plus 4y plus 1 is equals to 5. So rearrange this equation and set it to 0. So we have this to be 4y squared plus 4y plus 1 minus 5 is equals to 0. So we have this to be 4y squared plus 4y plus 1 minus 5 will give us minus 4, which is equals to 0. So divide through by 4. So dividing through by 4, we have this to be 4y squared divide 4 plus 4y divide 4 minus 4 divide 4, which is equal to 0 over 4. So this cancelling this, we have this to be y squared. This cancelling this, we have this to be plus y minus this cancel this, we have this to be 1, which is equals to 0 divide 4 is going to give us 0 right here. So from here we have this. So isolating y squared, we have that y squared is equals to 0 plus 1 minus y. So y squared is equal to 1 minus y. So from here, we want to simply solve for y raised to the power of 6. And y raised to the power of 6 can be written as y squared or raised to the power of 3. So from here, we have this to be equal to, now we know that y squared is 1 minus y. So this becomes 1 minus y or raised to the power of 3. In order for us to expand this, we know that if we have a raised to the power of 3, this can be written as a raised to the power of 2 multiply a raised to the power of 1. So I'm going to expand this in this format. So we have this to be 1 minus y all square multiply 1 minus y. So from here, we want to simply expand 1 minus y all square, and expanding this, if we have a minus b all square, this is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Alright, so we want to make use of this to expand this. So this is equal to, we have this to be 1 square plus y square minus 2 multiply 1 multiply y multiply 1 minus y. So this is equal to 1 square is 1 plus y square minus 2 multiply 1 multiply y will give us minus 2y, which is multiplying 1 minus y. So rearranging this, we have this to be 1 minus 2y plus y squared multiplying 1 minus y. Now I want to simply recall that y squared is equals to 1 minus y. So in place of y squared, we're going to put in 1 minus y. So this is equal to 1 minus 2y plus, in place of y squared, we put 1 minus y multiply 1 minus y. So I'm just going to record that y squared is equals to 1 minus y. So take note of this. So this is equal to 1 minus 2y plus 1 plus times minus is minus y, multiply 1 minus y. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2y minus y, multiply 1 minus y. Alright, so this is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 2y minus y is going to give us minus 3y, multiply 1 minus y. So multiplying this right here, we have this to be 2 multiply 1 is 2, 2 multiply negative y will give us negative 2y, negative 3y multiply 1 will give us negative 3y, and negative 3y multiply y will give us plus 3y squared. So this is equals to 2 minus 2y minus 3y will give us minus 5y plus 3y squared. But recall that y squared is equals to 1 minus y. So this is equal to 2 minus 5y plus 3 into 1 minus y. And this is equal to 2 minus 5y plus 3 minus 3y. And this is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 5y minus 3y. And we have this to be equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. Minus 5y minus 3y will give us minus 8y. But we want to simply recall equation star. And equation star states that y is equal to the root of 5 minus 1 over 2. So let's be sure of equation star. So let's simply go back right here and we're able to see equation star right here. So applying this right here, this becomes y is equal to 5 minus 8 into the root of 5 minus 1 over 2. So y is equal to 5. 2 here 1, 2 into 8 is 4. So we have this to be minus 4 into the root of 5 minus 1. And y is equal to 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 4. And y is equal to 5 plus 4 minus 4 the root of 5. So y is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9 minus 4 the root of 5. So you can decide to leave your answer this way. But if you decide to simplify further, we have that the root of 5 is approximately 2.236. So we have that y is equal to 9 minus 4 into 2.236. And y is equal to 9 minus 4 multiplied 2.236 will give us 8.944. So y is equal to 9 minus 8.944 is going to give us 0.0056, and this becomes the value of y. So hence we can say right here that the root of 15 minus root of 3 divided root of 12 all raised to the power of 6 is equal to 0.0056, and this becomes the final answer. So guys, if this video is really helpful to you, please do not forget to give the mathematical mindset a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed, do already subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.